What's up, guys? This video will demonstrate how to earn $1,250 simply by listening to music, which is one of the most straightforward methods of making money online. What is the best way to go about it? This is something we are going to discover. But before that, we have noticed that only a small number of the viewers are actually subscribed to our channel. So, if you find value in this video, please subscribe for more exciting content. With that out of the way, let's get started. Number 4. MusicXray.com. You may listen to music brands, review their songs, and even earn money by reviewing their music on this website. MusicXray is widely regarded as the industry's most effective song and talent filter. Essentially, this website was created to promote artists who want their music to be acknowledged and help them grow a global fan base of supporters. These musicians pay a fee in exchange for the opportunity to advertise their music and establish a fan base by submitting their songs to the portal and the generation of followers. You will be registering as a music lover to be able to listen to the music that you choose. You will be compensated by the website for listening to the tune of these new artists. The majority of the recordings are only 30 seconds in length, and even though the website only pays a few cents per song, this is an excellent opportunity to earn some extra money. MusicXray is a website that is relatively simple to navigate. However, before beginning your project, you should be aware of the following points. The first rule of thumb is that you should not listen to a song for less than 30 seconds. If you do this, you will not be credited with the money you have earned. Second, after listening to the tune, you can decide whether you want to become a fan or not. No matter what you do, you will still receive payment for the track you listen to. It's great if you switch up your music selections every week, as this will ensure that you always have new ways to listen and new songs to like being recommended to you. MusicXray allows users to cash out their payments using PayPal and a variety of other payment options. The bare minimum payment requirement is $20, and you can pay out your winnings several times if you so desire. Number 3. Predictor.com. When it comes to making money while listening to music, this is one of the best websites. Once you sign up, you will be compensated for your time spent rating new music before it is made available to the general public. You will be routed to a website where you can leave a comment and rate the artist's song once you are done listening. After you've finished placing the music on this website, you'll be able to collect points that you may redeem for cash later on. Number 2. Cash4minutes.com. An incredibly unique business that allows you to earn money simply by making phone calls and listening to music. Cash4minutes.com is a great way to supplement your income. Since launching their website, they have already paid out more than £11 million to customers. They have over 144,000 members who are using this service to earn money while listening to music on their computers. You have to go to this website and complete the registration form. The company will send you an email confirmation to validate your account after you have signed up for the service. When you initially log in, you'll be presented with this page, which contains information on how to make money using the website. Read it thoroughly to become familiar with the platform's code of conduct. Don't forget to link your preferred payment method to the site so that you can be paid once you have reached the payment threshold, which is essential. And number 1 on our list today, RadioEarn.com. While listening to music, you can make money on your own or with your website. First and foremost, this is the website that we will be employing to earn money simply by listening to music on our computers. This website is trendy, and many people are already familiar with it. It's pretty basic and straightforward to use. Moreover, as you can see in this example, you can go from setting up your new account to earning money in less than 5 minutes by following 4 simple steps. And further down on this page, you can see some of the fantastic features that they have on this website that you will undoubtedly enjoy. In addition to offering the best placed advertisements, the ability to customize your radio station, detailed statistics, a simple system for exchanging your points, and the ability to cash out at any time, they also offer the following features. The service is entirely free. and you can access it from any location in the world. Aside from PayPal, you can receive payment via bank transfer, Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin, or any other method you prefer. You can see real-time statistics about all of the current listeners from all over the world right here on this page. This website has already distributed this amount to its users worldwide. There are hundreds of users from all over the world who are currently listening to music on the website and earning money. You can zoom in and out right here to see the number of people making a living. If you want to create a free account, you must first click on the Sign Up button located on this page. After that, you'll be taken to this particular page. Simply enter your selected username, first and last names, email address, and password, and complete the CAPTCHA. Immediately after that, click on Register to complete the registration process. After that, you will have successfully created your new account. Now that you're logged in, you can see your own dashboard. Once you've logged into your dashboard, navigate to the section that says Start Earning and select Listen. Listening to the radio, choosing one of these 3 radio stations, you will earn money every few minutes you spend listening to the station. The points will be credited to your account immediately once they are earned. Later on, you will be able to turn this into real, tangible cash. However, before you can begin making money using this approach, you must first click here on Settings and complete the payment information on this page, which can be found here. Simply enter your PayPal email address or any other payment method you choose to use in the appropriate fields. Simply click on this button to begin listening and earning money right away. When you click on the radio station, a new tab will open in your browser. Simply press this play button over here and the music will begin to play. Start playing as soon as possible. The most excellent part about this strategy is that you can just set it to play in the background while you do other things. You will be able to switch to another station once the required number of minutes has elapsed. On this network, which goes by radioearn.com, that is all you have to do to earn money. It is pretty easy to use and highly intuitive, so give it a shot right now and start making money right away. Let's take a quick look back at the platforms we've talked about so far. The first website is radioearn.com, which allows you to earn money simply by listening to music on your computer. The best aspect about this website is that you can simply leave the music playing in the background while you go about your business. Merely go to radioearn.com and register for a free account to begin earning money. The second website is cashforminutes.com, which stands for Cash in Minutes. When you visit this website, you may take advantage of a unique service that allows you to earn money simply by making phone calls and listening to music. The third website is hitpredictor.com, where you will be compensated for listening to and rating new music before it is made available to the general public for purchase. As soon as you've finished evaluating the music, you'll be able to collect points, which you can then redeem for real money later on. In addition, the fourth website is MusicXray.com, where you may earn money simply by listening to and evaluating music, much of which is less than 30 seconds in duration. Now, if you want to know more ways to make even more money, you should watch this next video right now, which will show you more proven ways to make more money online. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more exciting content. As always, thanks for watching.